Hello, I'm Charlie Kerrigan. This session is titled Corporate Finance in the Innovation Economy, What Really Matters in Fundraising Transactions. So what's different about the innovation economy? We cover that in our first slide. Corporate finance is not a new thing. People have been funding commercial activity and businesses for hundreds of years. But most of those hundreds of years have involved physical, tangible property. And as business has moved online, that shift from tangible to intangible has been one of the defining features of the last 20, 30 years of business. Where we have intangible value representing a lot of the value of businesses, that's what is now referenced by the phrase the innovation economy. And the innovation economy is characterized by being IP-centric. What do we mean by the phrase IP-centric? So this is referencing the fact that a lot of the value, a lot of the assets that are held by businesses in the online digital innovation economy are intellectual property. But they're more than that. And at the beginning of this session, we'll explain what intellectual property is and other assets that are not intellectual property, but are intangible and are valuable. So the risk is that if we rely on traditional funding models, they lag the reality of what's shifted as business has moved online. And as lawyers, we need to be up to date and reference that reality in our transactions. So the lawyer's role now, to my mind, is bridging the law, giving legal advice. Transactions need to be robust and effective in legal terms. They need to represent what's actually happening in finance and business, where value has moved from tangible to intangible.